What is yoga if it's not the asanas? So the satkarmas includes neti, dhauti, bhasti, kapalbhati, chataka and nauli. Discipline and self-control, a certain quality of the mind is needed. Yoga is not to get a six-pack. This might. Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna read something from the book Hatha Yoga Pradipika. So there's a lot of confusion in what is yoga if it's not the asanas. This is my attempt in explaining some of the yoga concepts that I have learned from my 200 hours yoga teachers training program. So the book says, Sage Patanjali, in the Yoga Sutras, he divided Raja Yoga into 8 steps. Yama and Niyama are the first two, followed by Asana and Pranayama. Then comes Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi, which are the 8 limbs of yoga. However, Swatmarama was very much aware of the practical difficulties every person faced in relation to Yama and Niyama. In order to practice yama and niyama, which is discipline and self-control, a certain quality of the mind is needed. He begins by saying that you should first purify the whole body. Now, the whole body includes the stomach, the intestine, nervous system, and other systems. Therefore, Satkarma comes first. So, Satkarmas are the various cleansing processes like getting your bowel movement in place in the morning. This was something I really struggled with when I was in my 1 month of yoga course. So, the Satkarmas includes Neti, Dhauti, Bhasti, Kapalbhati, Chataka, and Nauli. So, actually, Hatha Yoga starts with these practices. After Satkarma, you should practice asana and pranayama. So, first we have to cleanse our body before we actually start off with self-discipline. The aim of Hatha Yoga says in order to purify the mind, it is necessary for the body as a whole to undergo a process of complete purification. When you clear the body of these impurities, the nadis function and the energy blocks are released. Then the energies move like wave frequency throughout the channel within physical structures, moving right up to the brain. Whenever we talk about yoga, nowadays the most popular form that we see when people say yoga is asana. But actually asana is just controlling of the body. Hatha Yoga believes that when you can control the body, you can control the mind. It's not vice versa, and that's where the purification process of Jalneti, Sutraneti, Dhauti starts, and then we move on to asanas, which actually helps us stabilize our body. And then we do the pranayama, which are the breath works, and that's when we move to the other aspects of Hatha Yoga. So yoga, ladies and gentlemen, is a big science. It is like you can be a 9th standard kid and studying physics. You can be a 12th standard kid studying physics. You can be a PhD doing physics, right? So as you progress, the whole understanding of yogic sciences increases. So yoga is not to build muscles. Yoga is not a place where you come to if you want to participate in Femina Miss India pageants. Yoga is not to get a six-pack. This might be byproducts of the practices that we do. Yoga never talks about weight loss. But yeah, what happens is when you do this practice, which is a discipline, and very important part of yoga is that it emphasizes on this discipline on a everyday basis. Yoga for me is, I would say, a whole practice or a knowledge that has been given to us by our rishis and the yogis. And as very normal, humble human being, we just have picked up few of these practices to make our life a little better than what it is. Thank you and namaste.